up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down, inhale, up, exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up, and stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, suck your stomach in, head down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, inhale, chin phai tai chai. Right leg up and left hand up together. Exhale, knee to elbow or grab your knees, head down. Inhale, up, continue please. Exhale, down, very good. Inhale, up, exhale, down. Last one, inhale, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi back side. Okay, left hand back side, grab your right ankle, right leg up, 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 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg back side, and right hand all the way up. Beautiful. Stay. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Same. One more. Doichan. Inhale. Left leg and right hand together. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. The last one. Inhale. Up. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right hand back side. Stay here. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Yes. Left hand all the way up. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Come swung. Chin down. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana, slowly up. Exhale, child pose, Imbe. Sim 2 times, Highland, inhale, Cobra, slowly up. Exhale, child pose. The last one, inhale, Cobra, slowly up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, downward facing dog. 1 by 1, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, right leg, chin phi. Right leg up. Exhale, right leg front in between your palm. Goisu. Raise your both hands up. Come to Anjani Asana. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hand back side, high thigh. Yes, high thigh and down. Raise your both hands up, forehead touch to mat, and try to knee up. Yep, very good. Excellent. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi Gap, thigh swung. Drop your left elbow down, right hand all the way up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Phi Sung. Can I dog high chin lin? Come dog mop chin lin. Come to Ekapada Kandilna Asana. Yes, try. Drop your right palm down. Good job. Excellent. 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Now from here, right leg back, chin sao, left leg back, plank pose. Again, body should be straight, one line. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knee, chest, chin. Come swung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, downward dog. Again, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. Inhale, left leg up, straight up. Exhale, left leg front in between your palm. Drop your knee. Again, inhale, raise your both hands up. Come to Anjani Asana. Goes. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hand back side. Interlock your finger and inhale. Raise your both hands up. Exhale. Slowly head down and try to knee up. Take a normal breathing. Stay there. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5. Thigh 5. Right hand down. Drop your right elbow down. Inhale. Left hand all the way up. Stay. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi. Drop your left hand down under the left thigh. Yes, if possible, then Ekapada Kundalini Asana. If you cannot, just left leg up. Good job. 1, nice. 2, okay. 3, 4, 5. Relax. Beautiful. Left leg back, chin chaira sao. Plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. Swipe 5. Thigh 5 in. Turn your body right side, right hand straight up. If possible, then chin 5, gap chin len. Fold your right leg. Yes, don't touch. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same. Change your side. Left hand all the way up. And chin chai. Left leg fold. Gap chin. Yes, fold your knees. Stay. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come center. Drop your knee. Go isum. Come swung. Chin down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Downward facing dog. Again, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So last one. Inhale. Up. Right leg up. Chin 5. Exhale. Right leg front. Go in. High thigh in. Come to warrior number 1. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand side of the body and slowly exhale down. Yes, very good. Good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai 5 swung, Tai Chi Lin. Chin 5 thang. Yes, come to triangle posture. Drop your right palms down, left hand straight up. And if possible, then left hand back side. Tai Chi, Gap Tai. Yes, look up, chin up. Beautiful. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same doi tai. Change your hand, please. Left hand down. Reverse triangle posture. Right up. And right hand back side. Tai Phi Gap Tai. Yes, very good. Okay, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chin 5 thang. Can I high thigh back side? Both hand back side. Drop your finger down. And if possible, then left leg chin chai gap chin lin. Left leg up. Come on. Very good. 1. Good job. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, beautiful. Hai Tai Sung. Chancharasa, left leg back, right leg back. Plank pose. Body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Drop your knee, chest and chin. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, slowly up. Come to Bhujanga. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale, left leg up, straight up. Exhale, left leg front, in between a palm. High thigh, raise both hands up. Yeah, very good. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and exhale slowly, both hands side up the body and bend your body a little bit down. Okay, good job. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tai Chi Swung, Tai Phi Line. Come to triangle posture, left hand down, right hand up, and right hand back side, Tai Phi Gap Thigh. Grab your thigh, look up, chin up. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Same. Change your hand, please. Reverse triangle posture. First, drop your right palm down. Inhale, left hand up, and left hand back side, Gap Thigh. Tai Chi Gap Thigh. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh back side. Drop your both palms back side down. And if possible, then fold your right leg. Chin five up, chin lane. Okay, good job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. High thigh, swung, chanchara saw. Left leg back, right leg back. Plank pose. Body should be straight one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, please come to child pose. Ember. Relax yourself. Just relax.